Do you know which indoor plants can refresh your room environment? Welcome to the verdant world of indoor plants, where nature intertwines with your living spaces, creating a sanctuary of tranquility and freshness. Indoor plants, often overlooked, offer a multitude of benefits that transcend beyond their aesthetic appeal, becoming an essential part of our indoor environment. Let's delve into the wonders of these green companions. One of the most significant advantages of indoor plants is their ability to purify the air. They act as natural air filters, absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen, thereby refreshing your room environment. Yes, these leafy friends of ours do more than just sit pretty in a pot. They're hard at work, day and night, to provide you with cleaner, fresher air to breathe. But that's not all. Indoor plants are also known to reduce stress and boost mood. Studies have shown that the presence of greenery can lower anxiety levels, increase focus, and even improve productivity. Imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by the calming green of an indoor garden. It's like having your very own piece of nature's serenity right in the comfort of your living room. Now consider the aesthetic aspect. Indoor plants can transform your space, adding color, texture, and life to any room. They are the perfect interior design accessory, versatile and ever-changing. Whether it's a large, luscious fern in the corner of the room or a small succulent on the coffee table, indoor plants can enhance your decor, making your home feel more inviting and alive. Indeed, the benefits of indoor plants are plentiful, and their beauty is timeless. But with so many options, how do you choose the right indoor plant for your space? Well, that's what we're here to help with. In this video, we will be exploring the best indoor plants that can refresh your room environment. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this green journey together, discovering the wonderful world of indoor plants and how they can transform your indoor spaces into a refreshing, serene haven. Our first plant on the list is Aloe Vera. This succulent plant is more than just a pretty face. It's a hardy, easy-to-care-for addition to your indoor garden that's not just pleasing to look at, but also offers a host of benefits. Among its most notable attributes is its air-purifying quality. Aloe vera is known for its ability to absorb airborne pollutants, making it a natural air cleaner. So while it adds a touch of green to your space, it's also quietly working to freshen up your indoor environment. Then there's the easy maintenance. Aloe vera is a drought-resistant plant and requires minimal watering, so if you're a bit forgetful when it comes to watering, this plant will forgive you. Lastly, let's not forget about the medicinal benefits. The gel inside aloe vera leaves is rich in vitamins and minerals and is widely used for skincare and wound healing. This makes aloe vera a great addition to your indoor plant collection. Next, we have the snake plant. Also known as the mother-in-law's tongue, this plant is a top choice for indoor greenery. Its ability to grow in low-light conditions makes it an ideal companion for those who don't have the luxury of ample natural light. But the benefits of the snake plant extend beyond its low-maintenance nature. Did you know it's also an excellent air purifier? Yes, it's true. This green gem is known to remove toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. The snake plant does this through a process called phytoremediation, where it absorbs harmful substances and releases pure oxygen. This not only purifies the air, but also enhances the overall environment of your space. So whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a beginner in the world of indoor gardening, the snake plant is a hardy and beneficial addition to your collection. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that also purifies the air, the snake plant is a perfect choice. Moving on, we have the peace lily. This plant is not only a beautiful addition to any indoor space, but also a practical one. It's known for its stunning white flowers that can bloom even in low light, making it an ideal choice for those areas of your home that don't get much sunlight. But the peace lily isn't just about aesthetics. This plant is a champion when it comes to improving air quality. It's one of the few houseplants that can break down and neutralize toxic gases like benzene, formaldehyde, and carbon monoxide. So while it's brightening up your space with its lovely blooms, It's also hard at work purifying your air and creating a healthier living environment. Plus, it's relatively easy to care for, requiring just a bit of water and some occasional feeding. The peace lily truly lives up to its name, bringing peace and tranquility to any room. Next on our list is the spider plant. Known for its resilient nature and captivating aesthetics, the spider plant is an all-rounder when it comes to indoor greenery. It's like the friend who's always there, no matter what. You'll find it flourishing in a myriad of conditions, from low-light areas to bright indirect sunlight, demonstrating its versatility. But what makes the spider plant truly stand out is its air-purifying prowess. This humble green hero works silently, absorbing toxins like carbon monoxide and xylene from your surroundings. Imagine having a silent green cleaning crew, constantly working to freshen up your environment. That's essentially what you're getting with the spider plant. And the best part, this plant is incredibly low maintenance. A little water, a bit of light, and you're good to go. It's a perfect choice for beginners, or those who don't have the time for high-maintenance plants. The spider plant is another great option for those who are new to keeping indoor plants. Another plant that is great for indoors is the rubber plant. This tropical beauty is a real showstopper with its large, glossy, burgundy-hued leaves that seem to demand your attention. But the rubber plant is not just a pretty face. This houseplant is a hardy survivor and can thrive even in low-light conditions. So, whether your home is flooded with sunlight or you're tucked away in a cozy corner, the rubber plant will continue to flourish. Moreover, this plant is more than just an ornament. It's a silent guardian of your indoor environment. The rubber plant is renowned for its air-purifying qualities. It works tirelessly, absorbing toxins from the air and releasing fresh oxygen in return. This makes it a great choice for those wanting to freshen up their living spaces. In essence, the rubber plant is a blend of beauty, resilience, and utility. The rubber plant is not only beautiful, but also beneficial to your indoor environment. Last but not least, we have English ivy. This delightful plant is a beloved choice for many due to its appealing cascading vines that spill over the edge of the pot, creating a stunning visual effect. Its charm lies not only in its aesthetic appeal, but also in its resilience. English ivy is no diver. It doesn't need to bask in the sun all day to thrive. In fact, it's quite content in low-light conditions, which makes it a perfect fit for those dimly lit corners of your home that other plants might shun. But the wonders of English ivy don't stop there. This plant is a hard worker, tirelessly contributing to the health of your home's environment. It's an air-purifying champion, filtering out toxins and improving the air quality in your space. English ivy is a classic plant that can add a touch of elegance to any room. It's a testament to the beauty and versatility of indoor plants, and a must-have addition to your green family. So, these were some of the best indoor plants that can refresh your room environment. Let's take a moment to recap our verdant journey. We started with the Aloe Vera, a plant that not only adds a touch of green to your home, but also works tirelessly to purify the air you breathe. This little powerhouse is perfect for those of us who might not have a green thumb, as it's easy to care for and can withstand a bit of neglect. Then we moved on to the snake plant, a striking addition to any room, and a plant that's known for its ability to filter out toxins from the air. It's a plant that likes to be left alone, making it ideal for those of us who travel often or have a busy lifestyle. Next, we introduced the peace lily, a plant that's not just beautiful to look at, but also a potent air purifier. It thrives in low light and enjoys a good misting, making it perfect for those of us who live in apartments or homes without a lot of natural light. Following the peace lily, we discussed the spider plant, a resilient and adaptable plant that can thrive in a variety of conditions. This plant is an excellent choice for beginners or those who might not have a lot of time to dedicate to plant care. We then delved into the world of the rubber plant, a plant that's not just visually striking, but also a fantastic air purifier. Its large leaves can absorb and break down chemicals in the air, helping to create a healthier living environment. Lastly, we looked at the English ivy, a plant that's as beautiful as it is functional. It's known for its ability to reduce mold and bacteria in the air, making it a great choice for those of us who suffer from allergies or asthma. In short, indoor plants not only add aesthetic value to your home, but they also work tirelessly to improve the quality of your indoor air. They're a simple, natural, and beautiful way to create a healthier and more enjoyable living environment. Remember, a little greenery can go a long way in improving your indoor environment, so why not add a plant or two to your space?